Best Shopify apps for e-commerce. Hi there, today we'll learn about the best apps that you can use for your Shopify e-commerce business or your online store that would definitely help your business grow here using Shopify applications. So for us to begin with, what you can do is you can log in into your Shopify account and you can simply go to your settings and go to apps, and you can just go to app or Shopify app store that's usually on a green button, or you can simply search it on the search bar as well. So here, the first app location that we will tackle would be about product reviews. An example here is stamped product reviews and UGC. This will help you provide, or this is to provide your potential buyers with a detailed and honest assessment of a product to help them make an informed decision whether they would continue purchasing the product or not. So, here, this application is a free plan that is available for you where you can make use of this, or um, give this a try for 7 days before you decide to purchase one. So here it helps you capture and showcase high converting reviews and ratings, photos and videos, and question and answer option as well. So this review would definitely um, where your products can be advertised based on the customers feedback. So, the second application here is about loyalty offers and programs. This application is named Gameball, where this is an important tool as well for business to keep customers coming back. This is by offering rewards for loyalty, and businesses can encourage customers to stick with them rather than taking their business elsewhere. So, here, this offers store credit, giveaways, VIP tiers, and loyalty points using this application. Here, you can just browse on this app and you can see the free plans as well as the starter and the pro plan that you can make use of. Third, here would be applications used for page builders. This lets you take advantage with Shopify's hosting, where payment, processing, and plugins, you can definitely work on these pages without dealing codes and etc. So it's easy to use where you can just simply use drag and drop editing means. So you can take this element straight from the app library and place it into your page. So one of the example here is page hub layout hub rather, where it allows you to quickly create pages using this application. Here are also some of the highlighted features that you can make use of. And as you can see, these are the pricing as well and the reviews. So another application that we will tackle here would be Tapita. This is also a landing page builder where it allows you to create homepage, landing pages, blogs, and many more. So this also comes with a free plan, and here are also a review that you can make use of. And the good thing here, it's also highly rated where a lot of users have this recommended as well. So fourth here would be digital downloads. This is another tool that you can use to help your business boost as well. So you can offer digital downloads as one of your products where it is more affordable when it comes to the customer's perspective compared to buying physical products where they need to pay for custom fees and shipping fees as well. So another one of the example here is EDP, where this is easy digital products where some of these applications, depending on what store you created here on Shopify, this may not be compatible yet with your store that you created, but you can simply just edit or customize your store. Another here is digital downloads, where what I would recommend here would be digital downloads by FileMonk, where as you can see, it's free to install, and it also is highly recommended by other users as well, where you can base it on the rating at 4.9, where you can sell downloads or digital downloads product in 3 quick easy steps: upload unlimited files and deliver instantly. So here are some features and the reviews of this application as well that you can refer to and as a proof before you can add this application to your store. The fifth application here would be customer support. This is an important tool where it definitely helps you retain your customers as well. This will also reinforce company's values and brand and increases as well your customers' lifetime value. So using My Alice as one of your applications would help your customers as well, especially when they are navigating into your store. They will know where to go, and you can definitely assist them and recommend as well on what products they may need or what their problem is or the issue about the product, so you can definitely help them as well. Another one here is live chat, is one of the applications that we highly recommend. Another application here that you can use would be channel live chat. So this is another live chat platform that you can incorporate into your store, where it allows you to improve or build your business or your online store using these customer platforms. So the last application here would be Tidy.io, live chat support as well, and it also offers asynchronous messaging as well for this application. And for the sixth type of application is recurring payments. This is also an important application that you need to incorporate into your online store or into your e-commerce business, so that it would lessen the hassle from your customers to go and browse into your online store and make payments from there, where they can also have the option to enroll with automatic payments, where it is definitely helpful to minimize delays with the payment as well. So this will help your customers to avoid late fees and the like. So here is an example would be Yopto subscription. It's a free plan as well, and you can also look into the reviews and the features that you can take advantage. Another here is recharge subscription, where this is only free for 30 days and it comes for $99 per month for the standard plan that you can use when the 30 days expires. Okay. The seventh here would be print on demand application. So this is also a useful tool to help you bring your print marketing materials to life. So you don't have to order a set of number of copies, so you can try a few designs to see what looks best. And this also allows you to save money and update any designs if it does not work very well. So here an example is Printful. This is also a suggested application where it is very easy to use. And the eighth here would be pre-order pages. So you can add valuable sales into your online store that lets you charge customers and deposit full payment to reserve a product. So the best part is that you don't even need to keep the products on hand. So pre-ordering is also useful to customer guarantee that they will immediately receive the product once it's already on hand. So here another example is pre-order global. It is also highly rated application as well at 4.9, where you can definitely make use of this for pre-orders as well for your online store. So this comes with a free plan for 7 days, and after that you may be charged for um the next months as well. So another here is time zacked. This is another example or application that we would suggest you to incorporate into your online store, where this is similar as the other applications that I mentioned earlier. This also helps you process pre-order products as well into your online store. So the ninth here will be affiliate programs. So this is a form of cooperation between affiliates and the seller, in which the company rewards one or more affiliate individuals for each sale or referred visitor. So an example here is up promote affiliate and referral. So if an affiliate would invite more customers into your online store and if they will be purchasing a product, the affiliate would definitely be gaining um, commission as well, but it would also help our business grow since it will increase the range or the coverage of our business. So that would be an example here. So that would be it. So the next application here that we would talk about would be email marketing. This will be the last type of application that we would highly recommend to add into your online store, where this would be using MailChimp. This is definitely a free plan, but after a few days, this may charges may apply as well. So here is another example where Clavio. This would also help you with email marketing, where the benefits of this applications will help your audience to stay in contact with you. And this will also reach your customers real time. And email marketing is easy to measure and is so much affordable. So, this is another application that helps your business grow by reaching your customers, or reaching out to your customers, and not only your customers but also potential customers as well in the future once they've looked into your um, Shopify online store. So here is an example where Shopify itself has an application that you can use. That's Shopify email, where this is free to install, and there may be additional charges that may apply once it has been completed. And the good thing here is that once you install this application into your online store, this would have definitely boost your business, while it will automatically connect into your Shopify account admin as well, so you can keep track on it anytime. So those were the best Shopify apps for e-commerce that we would recommend, and that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.